Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me Aisha Marketing Wali and I am the student of Rehan School Online Academy. And today I am going to interview my friend. We will talk about her personality, goals, family, and childhood memories. So let's begin the interview. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum मामा कैसी हैं आप? काइंडली अपना माइक अनम्यूट करें.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम। मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसी हैं?
I am also fine. So first of all, are you excited or nervous for this interview?
I think I'm none of them. I'm just like both mixed together.
Okay, so first question is how would you describe yourself in 3 words?
Extrovert, kind, and smart, I think.
Okay, nice. So, what is your biggest strength?
My biggest strength is like when people are to me, I actually don't stand that. I actually wait.
Okay, so next question पे चलते हैं. What is one weakness you are trying to improve in yourself?
I'm kind of weird at Urdu. Like in writing, I get a lot of mistakes. I'm trying to improve that weakness.
Okay, so are you extrovert or introvert?
I'm extrovert.
Okay, so what makes you instantly happy?
When my dad actually lives in Saudi, and sometimes he comes home, so when he comes home, it makes me extremely happy.
Okay, so what makes you angry?
Uh, when like someone teases me or like being rude with me. That.
ओके सो अब आप ये बताएं कि अकॉर्डिंग टू यू एक मतलब अच्छी फ्रेंड में क्या क्या क्वालिटीज़ होनी चाहिए.
She should be kind. She should be the friend should be kind and loyal, and they should always not be that rude. Like not be rude.
ओके सो व्हाट मोटिवेट्स यू एवरी डे.
Can you repeat that?
आई एम सेइंग व्हाट आपको क्या चीज़ सबसे ज़्यादा मोटिवेट करती है लाइक जब आप थोड़ी सी स्ट्रेस होती हैं या थोड़ा सा मतलब ऐसे सैड हो जाता है तो आपको सबसे ज़्यादा क्या चीज़ मोटिवेट करती है.
Uh, to be honest, my mom motivates me a lot because one day when I had an Urdu exam tomorrow, so I was like very stressed because I didn't know much. I like studied really hard, but I was still stressed. But then my mom said, "It's okay, you will do good," and that actually motivated me, and I did super good in the exam.
Okay so what is one thing you would like to change about yourself?
I would like to change about myself because sometimes I actually get very angry or I be like rude for no reason. So I want to change that and be like not like calm, not like heavy.
Okay, so what is something unique about you?
I think I need kindness.
नहीं पता. Okay, so next question. What is your biggest dream?
My biggest dream is like to be a teacher because I really because like some teachers are really like have a bad behavior on me, so I don't want to pass that behavior on the other students. I want to be a teacher and like be kind to the other students.
Okay, so what career do you want in future?
I want to be a teacher, as I just said, because I want to pass the harsh behavior that happened to me to others.
Okay, so according to you, what success means to you?
Success means to me that just like I imagine that I am older right now and I am like a teacher right now. So like I'm gonna imagine that like I'm a teacher right now, and that means that in my past life when I was really younger, I like studied really hard and I worked super hard to just become a teacher, and I even explained my every reason to just become a teacher, and that means success to me because it's hardworking. Because of that hardworking, today I'm a teacher.
Okay, so what is your dream car?
My dream. What is my dream?
Car.
Dream car. Oh, my dream car is either Ferrari or Lamborghini or even Porsche.
Okay, so what was your favorite, like, yeah, dream job as a child?
My favorite dreams as a child was to be like a big like dressing designer or even something like a teacher.
Okay, so tell us a little about your family.
My family is very kind, and I have four siblings. I have three sister and one brother, and my parents are actually also very kind to me. My father actually lives in Saudi, and my mother is all with us. And my dad is actually living in Saudi because he has a good job there.
Okay, so who are you closest to in your family?
I think I'm closest to my mother, and I am also very close to my father. Even though he's in Saudi, I always talk to him at night on the call because my mom calls him at night, and I also talk with him. So my mom and dad.
Okay, so what is your family favorite tradition?
My family kind of does not have like a tradition, but our tradition is like whoever like is a guest, they always sit in our the main room, and they always gets everything like treats type of things. I don't know what type of tradition that is.
Okay, so what is your happiest childhood memory?
My happiest childhood from a memory is when I was in third grade. I was like in my like it was our teacher's birthday, and our whole class decided to celebrate it. We first asked the coordinator if we could decorate the class. She said yes. So we like when the teacher was just coming, we were just decorated super fast, and then when she was here, we were done decorating. So we told her to wait outside, and then when we decorated it, we tell her to come in and come in, and like there was one person beside the lights, and the lights were turned off, and all of her were like hiding beside the chairs. So when the teacher came, the person beside the light turned on the light, and all the person that were hiding standed up and did the party popper, and then the teacher was so happy.
Okay, so what games did you enjoy as a child?
I enjoyed ice and water, and I enjoy Ready Go.
Okay, so what was your favorite toy?
My favorite toy before is actually was like a doll, which I like when I was small. My mom gifted me like a doll with her things, and I was like really happy. Like the baby doll, not the other dolls, the baby doll. Like yeah.
Okay. So, were you naughty or the innocent one in family or school?
Naughty.
Okay. So, what was your favorite cartoon?
My before my favorite cartoon was actually Sophia the one, and I kind of forgot her name, but that was my favorite cartoon before. But I don't watch it anymore.
Okay. So, what is your funniest childhood memory with your family or friends?
It was like when it actually I some not anything like happened really funny to me. It happened to my family, not me.
Okay. So, what lesson did your parents teach you?
My parents teach me to never give up and like stand against the hard work and not go for the easy work. If you don't know how to do it, then you need to work hard to know how to do it.
Okay. So, did you have any nickname as a child?
I have that nickname right now too. It was Obama. Since my name is Umama, it was Obama.
Okay. So, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is definitely pizza.
Okay. So, in desi food, what's your favorite food? In desi, like biryani, korma.
I think Halim.
Okay. So, what is your favorite school memory?
I just told you like when in the class we all celebrated my teacher's birthday. It's the same memory.
Okay. So, which subject do you enjoy the most?
I enjoy maths the most since I complete the work first, and I like the whole class are doing, and I completed the first one to complete it, and I always do it correct.
Okay. So, who was your favorite teacher and why?
My favorite teacher in non-grade was actually Miss Asma because she was actually very kind to us and never treated me badly. She, even if I did a bad work, she never said anything to me. If other did a bad work, she scolded them. In two class, it was Miss Kinza because she actually loved my writing and never hated me. In third class, it was Miss Kiran Khuram because she also made me the math specialist because I do my work first, and she never scolded me. And in my fourth grade, which I'm right now, and is Miss Shaisa because she also is very kind to me and like did not scold me much.
Okay. So, what school achievement are you proud of?
I participated in speech, but I did not get like one first, second, third, but I actually got fourth or fifth. And I also participated in races. I participated in aerobics, and I got a certificate because of that.
Okay. So, if you could fly for one day, what would you do first?
I would actually go to Saudi so I can meet my father.
Okay. If you found a magic lamp, what would your three wishes be?
I would wish that no one dies in the world and everyone is happy and never sad and there will be no bullies. And my last wish is for myself, which will be that everyone that are poor and needy get something, and all the rich people that are actually also rude and have like a lot of extra money that are not giving it to charity. I will wish that all the rich people, some of their money will go to charity so the needy and poor people will get a home to live.
Okay, nice. So, if you could meet any historical person, who would it be?
I will meet Elsa. It's not like as I don't have a storybook of Elsa, but I watch like cartoons, like the songs. I really love the songs about Let It Go, but I don't love it now. But I really wanted to meet Elsa and Anna.
Okay, so if you would want any celebrity or actress, what would it be?
The celebrity would definitely be Megan from Cat's Eye, and the actress would be Anna. I love them both so much.
Okay, so if your life was a movie, what would its title be?
It would be Umama and the school stories. I think so. Yeah, it would be like a
Okay.
school story movie.
Hmm. Okay, if animals could talk, which animal would you talk to first?
Panda because it's my favorite animal, and if I couldn't talk to panda, I would talk to a cat. But I really want to talk to panda because it's my favorite animal.
Okay, so if you could live in a movie or drama, which one would it be?
I would choose Judwa, and I would actually be the like the one which is actually very brave and not the innocent one. I would be that one, the brave one. Okay.
Okay, so if you were the principal of a school for a day, what would you change first?
Rehan school or the other schools?
Or another school?
Okay, so if I would be in other schools, I would do like no exams, no homework, and it's gonna be like we need to go to the school at 10 p.m. and come back at 11 p.m. and there will be half an hour for break. Just half hour study, no homework.
Okay, so if you could invent something, what would it be? Like robot or
I
machine?
I would invent a book in which we can play games, we can study, we can read storybooks, and we can learn a lot of things in there.
Okay, so if you become the Prime Minister of Pakistan, what would you do first?
I would like make Pakistan clean, and whoever throws garbage, they would be arrested for 100 years, and the people which are rude will be arrested. Will if they are the people that are rude are not changing themselves for a lot of times and even a believer doing something like that, so they will be arrested for 5 to 10 years.
Okay, so if you had unlimited money, what would you buy first?
I would buy lots of needles and glitter dumplings because I really want them for a lot of time.
Okay, so if you could create a new holiday, what would it celebrate?
I would create a holiday in which actually I would create a holiday in which everyone like gets everything they want, like just one thing that they want, and their parents have to buy them no matter what.
Okay, so if you could make one world problem matlab disappear, so which would it be?
A word problem.
Ji.
I would actually make the word root disappear. Meaning the word that you want to disappear. Yeah.
Okay, so next question. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is purple and black.
Okay, so if you had your own kingdom, what rules would you make?
I would make the only the kind people are going to be living with me as a good as like just like me, and but the rude people will actually be my servants.
Okay, so what is one thing most people don't know about you and like they misunderstand about you?
I sometimes get blamed or yeah, I get blamed for no reason, but after that I actually someone actually understands me and then I don't get blamed. but somebody actually misunderstands me because, like, if someone is actually just booked a class, they would blame it to me, and then someone would say, "Why did you do that?" And like I said, I didn't do that, and then sometime later they will understand because they've misunderstood before.
Okay, so what is the best as advice you have ever received in your life?
Ours is, if you can make mistake, that humans can make mistakes, and don't worry if you make mistakes, and never give up.
Okay, so what is your who is your favorite personality, like celebrity or personality in Pakistan right now?
My favorite personality is about, like, in the celebrities, the in the Cat's Eye, because it's my favorite group, a K-pop group. So in Cat's Eye, the lead vocalist is actually, the voice of it is very good, and her personality, because of what she became the lead vocalist, is really good, and I love that personality.
Okay, so what message would you like to give to your young students?
I would give to them to always work hard and never give up, even though someone says for you to give up because you can't do the work properly.
Okay, so according to you, what is your biggest or best quality?
The best quality is that I stand up for myself if someone is rude to me. That's the only thing.
Okay, so are you a hardworking or like a last moment person?
I think I'm hard. I think my sisters are last moment person.
Okay, so now it's a rapid fire round. So let's start. Tea or coffee?
Tea, coffee, 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 or tea, tea.
Okay, summer or winter?
Winter,
Book or movies?
movies, definitely.
Cat or dogs?
Cat,
Sweet or spicy?
spicy.
Beach or mountains?
Beach,
Android or iPhone?
iPhone,
Online shopping or in-store shopping?
and start shopping.
Physical classes or like online classes?
Physical classes,
Pizza or burger?
pizza,
Photography or videography?
photography,
WhatsApp or Instagram?
WhatsApp,
Sunset or sunrise?
sunset,
City life or village life?
uh, city life,
Ice cream or chocolate?
chocolate,
Cricket or football?
cricket,
Call or text?
call,
Spring or autumn?
spring.
Okay, thank you so much, Umama, for sharing your experience, personality, and dreams.
Welcome.
We wish you success, happiness in all your futures, and thank you everyone for watching and listening me. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.